Welcome to this podcast. So today, Zenler brings you a podcast about analytics, Google Analytics in this case. Should you install Google Analytics on your website? And the answer is absolutely yes. So Google Analytics, for you who don't know, is a way that you can put code from Google and it will track visitors to your site. So there's a lot more involved to this. But if you can get the basic tracking code on your site, you're going to be recording click-through rates to pages. Now, this is really, really important data for you to know whether people are going through your site or they're stopping at a certain page. Now, I'm talking about Google Analytics because there's a ton of other ways of tracking data. You can use Facebook's Pixel, you can use heat maps. There's a ton of different ways to track data, who's coming into your site and where they're going. But Google is one of the biggest, and of course it has a massive search engine. Now, by joining up to Google Analytics, you would obviously also open up a Search Console account that would be actually tied to the analytics. Well, what this actually means for you is that you can get Google to spider or crawl through your site, and it will list all your pages when you post new pages. This is really important. So also, as well as that, in the Search Console, you have the ability to manually post a page as well and put it to a priority for Google to search that page and actually get it listed in its main search engine. So adding Google Analytics is an absolute must for any course creator, or even if you've got products of your own. It is a must to put that on there. Really easy to do, guys. There's a ton of videos on it on YouTube, and you can also go to our tutorials.newzenler.com site and you can search for the YouTube or the marketing course, and inside there it tells you everything you need to know about setting up Google Analytics, as well as a ton of other things for you as a marketer. So Google Analytics, should you put it on your site? The answer is absolutely a resounding yes. So do that today, and this is the end of another quick podcast by us at Zenler. Take care.